If you've dropped your iPhone, iPad, whatever it be, screen's cracked and it's sort of touching itself, I've got a solution for you. Now, I've managed to leave it alone for about 2 months, and it seems to always work fine when I turn it back on. So I reset it using Apple Configurator, and it seems to be okay, but I've got a trick for you. In your accessibility settings, I believe you go to General Accessibility. This is on a 9.5 or 9.6, I think, iOS, and you want to come down to touch accommodations. Turn them on, as well as hold duration. Okay. And we'll turn the hold duration up to 3.5. We'll say use initial touch location. Maybe even 4, shoot, I don't care. But what this does is every time we touch it, it'll put a little circle around my finger. And if it's going crazy up here in the corner, like right there where it's all cracked, there'll be a bunch of circles there, and it won't register those touches unless the touch is longer than 0.35 seconds, which can be hard to do if you're not actually doing it. Usually it's just a quick, like, all over the place, you know. I hope this helped. Also, plug it into your computer and reset it, because I did that, and I'm having way less issues. I think I could have had some possible malware on here to where he was just messing with me. I don't know. Sometimes we would be able to communicate. I would look at the camera and I would say something, nothing happened, say something else. But if I said something that, that person, or I don't know if it related to them, if I hit one of their hotspots, the screen would go crazy. It would also let me know, like, if I'm on the right track, if I'm, I don't know. Reset your iPad. Don't just reset it by going to settings and then general and then reset. Don't do it that way, because it just reinstalls the firmware and software that's on the device already. And if I've installed malware on a device, I can make it to where that malware reinstalls itself every time you reset it. So plug it into your computer, wipe it. I would suggest using Apple Configurator and supervising it and setting up a profile. That way it seriously just gets rid of everything. I hope that helped. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I got tons of tips coming soon.